Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. This SUV's a treat for all your senses and a treat for your sense of adventure. It provides a fulfilling driving experience no matter the destination. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, 4-corner auto leveling suspension, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Car and Driver reports it can nicely accommodate 4 adults, 3 kids, and 16 cubic feet of luggage. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,